Yun. Good morning mga kalapatids. Today is September 15, race day, and I don't know yet the air distance from my loft. So wala pang update. There's still no update on what time the birds will be released this morning, but most probably it will be 10 a.m. As you can see, medyo maulan kaninang umaga, madaling araw, umulan. So yan, basa ang sahig. Yan. Ayan, basa. Medyo umaambon-ambon pa nga. But the weather will be finer later on. Lalo yung pagdating ng bandang alas 12 onwards, cloudy. So most probably meron din silang dadaan ng ulan, but they need it. Those birds need those kind of weather para preparation para sa Invercargill race, kasi the more they fly on perfect weather, the more they will get lost when they flew in a long distance race, especially when there's a sea crossing like on South Island race na. So they need it that's a good preparation for those birds. So hopefully makauwi ng maayos yung mga ibon, and good luck to all the fancier that flew their birds today. Fingers crossed, sana makauwi yung mga ibon natin. Bye.